Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and requires nerfs to Mega Knight. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and requires nerfs to Mega Knight. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and requires nerfs. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and requires nerfs to Mega Knight. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and requires nerfs to Mega Knight. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and requires nerfs to Mega Knight. Mega Evo. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and requires nerfs to Mega Knight. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and requires nerfs. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and requires